All right, guys, you get the QCat again. It's the same video for the PM971 for the brake switch recall. I'll show you the switch here. I'm doing it this way so you guys can see without me moving around exactly what's what. We need to replace the brake switch that is under there. We'll see it a little bit clearer in just a moment. You have to remove the lower panel, so we're going to do that, and we're going to leave the camera where it sits because it just takes but a moment to remove the panel. So we are removing the two 10mm bolts, the T20 Torx nut, Torx bit, just a piece of hardware. Remove the fuse panel cover, take that off, and then the upper panel. So pull and pull that brake. Okay. Remove the two buttons and then shove that off to the side. And what we're looking for is this switch over here. I'm gonna take this. And turn that. Find the little tab and push. Up to the side, don't mix them up. Take new switch. And that's it. That's literally all this is. Installation is reverse of removal. You hate when they say that, but yeah, seriously. Ow! That's all it is. Let's take a little clip here. This fell off. Put this back on here, and yeah, that's it. If you're wondering what this recall is, if you have a push button start, of course, you know you have to press the brake pedal. If the switch is malfunctioning, which they claim that there's a defect in the switch, it will cause a no start condition. So this is about. Get the QCat.